Let me start with a number, minus 418. What does that mean? It is not a bank account. It's not a temperature. It's an elevation. Modern science tells us the lowest place on Earth's dry surface is around the Dead Sea, about 418 meters below the sea level. How do we know that? We know it through the satellite measurements, through precise surveying, through global elevation maps in the modern age. We compare every land point on Earth, nothing is lower. Now, travel back 1400 years, no satellites, no GPS, no digital maps. Two empires are at war, the Romans, Byzantines in the east, and the Persians. Around 613, 614 CE, Rome is humiliated. They lost the key cities. Damascus falls, Jerusalem falls. People look at the map and say, Rome is done. At that moment, Allah reveals verses in Surah Ar-Rum. Allah Almighty says, غُلِبَتِ الرُّومُ فِي أَدْنَى الْأَرْضِ وَهُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِ غَلَبِهِمْ سَيَغْلِبُونَ فِي بِضْعِ سِنِينَ. As a translation, the Byzantines have been defeated in Adel al-Ard, the nearest and lowest land. But they are, after their defeat, will be victorious within a few years. Subhanallah. Notice here two bold claims. The first one, Allah Almighty says, they will be victorious within a few years. At that time, this sounded impossible. But history records that about 7 years later, the Byzantines turned the war around and defeated the Persians. And here the second claim, the Quran describes the battlefield as Adna al-Ard. Adna al-Ard in Arabic means the lowest region on earth. But from the context, our classical commentators considered to mean the region closest to your earth and ignore lowest. Since this area is near to the Arabs and they cannot understand what is the meaning of lowest in these contexts, so where did these defeats happen? In the region around the Dead Sea. And what is that region? The lowest dry land on Earth's surface. Think about that for a moment. A verse revealed in 7th century Arabia ties a major historical event to a region that we know now is geologically unique, the very bottom of the Earth's land. Do you know, the companions who first heard this verse did not have the tools to verify the lowest point on Earth. They simply trusted Allah, trusted the Quran. Today you can open a geology book or look at topographic maps or check satellite data and you will see the same conclusion. So ask yourself honestly, is this just random overlap or is it one more sign that the one who revealed this book knows every mountain, every valley, and even the lowest piece of land on the planet? That is why we are doing this series. We are not forcing the Quran to fit science. No, we are watching science slowly catch up with what Allah already said. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.